Hi, Bob. How are you today?
I feel tired. Not happy today.
Why not happy? What's bothering you?
I keep being unkind to myself all day.
Can you tell me what you say to yourself?
I often say you're not good enough when I make mistakes.
That's really harsh. You wouldn't say that to a friend.
How can I learn to love myself properly?
What small thing did you do for yourself today?
I chose to drink water instead of coffee this morning.
That's actually very important. How did it make you feel?
Surprisingly calm and more focused throughout the day.
Small choices like this build self-care habits slowly.
I think I need more moments like this in my day.
Try taking just 5 minutes of quiet time tomorrow.
I'll definitely try that after finishing work.
What kind words do you say to your friends?
I always tell them you're doing great, keep going.
Why not say those same words to yourself?
It feels strange at first, like I don't deserve it.
It takes practice, but it gets easier every time.
Maybe I'll start with, I'm trying my best today.
That's perfect. Say it when you notice self-criticism.
Today I'll catch myself and say kinder things.
When was the last time you said no to something?
Yesterday, I turned down extra work when I was exhausted.
How did you feel after setting that boundary?
Guilty at first, but then I felt relieved and respected.
Saying no is actually a form of self-respect.
But what if people think I don't care about them?
Most people understand when you explain kindly.
Next time I'll say I care, but I need to rest.
How do you usually feel about your body?
I often criticize how I look, especially when I'm tired.
What if you thanked your body instead of criticizing it?
Like saying thank you legs for carrying me all day?
Exactly. Focus on what your body does for you.
This morning I thanked my hands for helping me work.
Notice how different that feels from criticism.
It's like finally making peace with myself after years.
What mistake still makes you feel bad about yourself?
I yelled at my sister last week and I can't stop thinking about it.
Would you forgive a friend who did the same thing?
Of course. Everyone gets stressed and makes mistakes.
You deserve that same forgiveness you'd give others.
I was doing my best with what I knew at that time.
Write that down and read it when you feel guilty.
Releasing this shame feels surprisingly freeing.
What's the first thing you do when you wake up?
I immediately check my phone and feel rushed all morning.
What if you waited just 10 minutes before checking it?
Just sit with my coffee and not look at messages?
Yes, notice the light, your breathing, and the quiet.
That sounds peaceful, but will I be wasting time?
Taking care of your mind isn't wasting time at all.
I'll try this tomorrow morning and see how it feels.
How does what you eat affect your emotions?
After sugary snacks, I feel good then crash hard.
What helps keep your mood more stable throughout the day?
Eating nuts or fruit with peanut butter keeps me steady.
Don't forget water too. Dehydration causes mood swings.
I often forget to drink water until I'm already grumpy.
Keep a water bottle on your desk and take small sips.
Small changes in eating really do make a difference.
Do you get outside during your workday?
Not really, I sit at my desk all day without moving.
Try taking just 10 minutes to walk outside today.
Just walking slowly with no special exercise routine?
Yes. Look at trees, feel the air, breathe deeply.
I tried this yesterday and felt noticeably calmer afterward.
Movement isn't about fitness, it's about feeling better.
10 minutes seems manageable even on my busiest days.
How's your sleep affecting your mood recently?
When I sleep only 5 hours, I become much more emotional.
What helps you get better quality sleep?
Putting my phone away 30 minutes before bedtime helps.
Blue light really disrupts our natural sleep patterns.
I'll aim for 7 hours tonight, my mood will thank me.
Even small sleep improvements make big emotional changes.
I notice I'm less irritable when I get proper rest.
Who do you talk to when you're having a difficult day?
My sister listens without trying to fix everything immediately.
How do you feel after sharing your emotions with her?
My problems feel smaller and I don't feel so alone.
What if no one's available when you need to talk?
I write voice notes to myself or join supportive online groups.
Connection is powerful medicine for difficult emotions.
We weren't meant to carry heavy feelings by ourselves.
What's the meanest thing you say to yourself regularly?
I often tell myself, you're not good enough, never will be.
What if you change that to, I am enough as I am?
It feels uncomfortable at first, like I'm lying to myself.
Say it every morning while looking in the mirror.
In the bathroom while brushing my teeth, you mean?
Yes. Repeat, I am enough, until it starts feeling true.
Today I'll practice saying this kinder phrase to myself.
What's one small thing you did well today?
I woke up on time without hitting snooze this morning.
That's actually really important. Say, I'm proud of that.
I'm proud I started my day right instead of rushing.
Celebrating small wins builds your self-worth slowly.
I'm proud I drank water instead of coffee this morning.
Write down one win every evening before going to sleep.
Tonight I'll write, I was kind to myself today.
What mistake are you still being hard on yourself for?
I forgot my friend's birthday last month and feel terrible.
Would you stay angry at a friend who forgot your birthday?
No, I'd understand that everyone gets busy sometimes.
You deserve that same understanding and forgiveness.
It's okay, I was busy and it was an honest mistake.
Say this to yourself whenever guilt starts to surface.
Today I choose to forgive myself completely for this.
Where do you feel most peaceful and like yourself?
On my small balcony with plants, but I rarely go there.
Try spending just 5 minutes there every single day.
Just sitting quietly with no phone or distractions?
Yes, feel the sun, listen to the sounds, breathe deeply.
I tried this yesterday and it made my whole day better.
That quiet time is your gift to yourself each day.
Today I'll sit outside for 5 minutes and just be.
What's one thing your body did for you today?
My eyes let me see my niece's beautiful smile today.
Try saying, thank you eyes for helping me see joy.
Thank you eyes for showing me what matters most.
How does it feel to speak to your body with thanks?
It makes me feel connected to myself, not at war.
Do this every evening and notice the difference.
Tonight I'll thank my body for carrying me through today.
When was the last time you said, I love you to yourself?
I say it to my dog every day, but never to myself.
Try saying, I love you to yourself in the mirror now.
I love you, saying it to myself feels strange but warm.
It gets easier each time you practice this kindness.
I'll say it every morning when I brush my teeth.
Say it whenever you notice self-criticism starting.
Today I choose to love myself through my imperfections.
What do you usually do when you're having a sad day?
I cry, then feel worse for crying and being emotional.
What if you said it's okay to feel sad right now?
It's okay to feel sad? But shouldn't I fix it fast?
Sadness passes when we let it exist, not when we fight it.
So I should just sit with sadness instead of pushing it away?
Yes, feel it fully, then it will naturally move through you.
Today I'll allow myself to feel without judgment.
Do you often feel like you're not enough as you are?
Yes, all the time. Why do I keep feeling this way?
You are enough exactly as you are right now in this moment.
But I make mistakes and I'm not perfect, how can I be enough?
Being imperfect doesn't make you less worthy of love.
I am enough, even with my flaws and mistakes.
Say this daily until your heart truly believes it.
Today I choose to believe I am enough, just as I am.
What positive phrase could help you through tough moments?
Maybe this feeling will pass, I've gotten through before.
That's perfect. Write it where you'll see it often.
On my bathroom mirror where I see myself every morning.
When negative thoughts come, breathe and say your phrase.
I'll take 3 deep breaths and repeat it slowly.
Affirmations work best when said with conviction.
Today I'll speak kindly to myself with purpose.
What's one thing you'll do differently for yourself tomorrow?
I'll say I love you to myself in the mirror before work.
How does committing to this make you feel right now?
Nervous but excited, it feels like I'm choosing myself.
Remember, self-love grows stronger with daily practice.
Each day gets a little easier as I build this habit.
You're already on the right path, keep going forward.
Thank you for helping me see I've always had this power.